Updating your home flooring with new carpet. Are you looking to give your home a fresh new look? One of the easiest and most impactful ways to do so is by updating your home's flooring. While hardwood floors and tile are popular options, carpeting remains a classic choice for homeowners. If you're considering installing new carpet in your home, here are a few things to keep in mind. Types of carpet. Carpet comes in many different styles, colors, and textures. It's essential to choose a carpet that fits your needs and your lifestyle. Some popular types of carpet include Berber. Berber carpet is a looped style that is durable and easy to maintain. It's a great choice for high-traffic areas like hallways and living rooms. Plush. Plush carpet is a popular choice for bedrooms and other low-traffic areas. It's soft and comfortable but may show footprints and vacuum marks. Frieze. Frieze carpet has a shaggy, textured appearance that hides footprints and stains well. It's a great choice for high-traffic areas like family rooms and playrooms. Patterned. Patterned carpet can add interest and style to a room. It's a great choice for formal spaces like living rooms and dining rooms. Outdoor. If you have a patio or outdoor space that you want to cover, outdoor carpet is a great choice. It's designed to withstand the elements and is easy to clean. Installation. Installing new carpet is a big job that requires some preparation. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Remove furniture. Before your installation, remove all furniture from the room. This will make it easier for the installers to work. Clean the space. Make sure the room is clean and free of debris before installation. Consider the subfloor. The subfloor is the surface under your carpet. It's essential to make sure it's in good condition before installation. If it's damaged, it will need to be repaired or replaced. Schedule your installation. Make sure to schedule your installation at a time that works for you. The installers will need access to your home, so make sure someone is there to let them in. Maintenance. Once your new carpet is installed, it's essential to take care of it. Here are a few tips for maintaining your new carpet. Vacuum regularly. Vacuum your carpet at least once a week to keep it clean and free of debris. Clean up spills promptly. If you spill something on your carpet, clean it up right away to prevent staining. Use a professional cleaner. Hire a professional carpet cleaner every 12 to 18 months to deep clean your carpet and remove any dirt and stains. Rotate your furniture. To prevent uneven wear, rotate your furniture every few months. Conclusion. Updating your home flooring with new carpet is an excellent way to give your home a fresh new look. With so many different types of carpet to choose from, you're sure to find a style that fits your needs and your lifestyle. With proper installation and maintenance, your new carpet will provide comfort and style for years to come.